guys, I make ready myself. Today is my vaccine day, so I'm just prepare myself. I hope everything will be working out this moment. But yes, I'm sure I'm scared and I cannot sleep. But this is my schedule. I will face it, the truth. See, let's see what's going on, if they will allow me or not, or only them they know if they are allowing me or not. And today is, if what happened to me in this drama, in this vaccine, I want my kids stay with my mom and my sister. That is the, what you call that, I will let you know, guys. I don't know, because only God knows what happened to us when we have faced this kind of hard situation right now. So I need to get the vaccine, so maybe one day so I can visit my mom. Or I'm scared also, maybe one day they don't let me go inside a mall or something, because my mind is kind of messed up sometimes, because we have some people that get in the news that there's a company don't allow the people that have vaccination. So me, before I'm against with this vaccination, but now I'm just eat what I said before. I eat my ego again. I said no, but now I will eat. I will eat my ego. So guys, wish me luck to my first vaccine. This is me, Zaza Super Vlog. I will update you if what happened, because I have, what you call that, I have menstruation. If they are allowing me or not, I don't know. So only them know. Bye bye. See you around. See you my update. Bye. Kabahog tik-tik nila, guys. Kay dali-dali unta. Ikabot nimo dito. Wala pa day. Wala pa ka na-register. Nag-register ko kahapon, pero hindi na-accept. So, paano natin malaman na hindi ma-accept yung registration natin kung mag-as tayo sa isang akala mo na yun, yung binigay nila sa'yo, yun talaga. Pero hindi pala yun. Mali pala yun. So, ngayon, umuwi ako kasi lunchtime na. Balik ako 1 o'clock kasi nag-second register ako. Nakainis lang ba kasi nagtanong ka ng maayos. Anong site na mag-register ka. Sabihin lang, punta ka lang sa Dumaguete page. Punta ako sa Dumaguete page, yung ginagamit ko, hindi ko alam na expired na pala siya. So, buti na lang ngayon nakapag-register ako ulit. Tapos balikan ko siya 1 o'clock. Naka-disappointed lang kasi it's make your time consume, diba? So nakakairita kasi 2 o'clock 2:30 punta na kami sa school, then 1 o'clock ako nakahasol, yan. Pero okay lang, basta matapos tong vaccine na to. Pagkatapos nito, okay na. So guys, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-register, mag-register na kayo. para makaiwas problema. So, see you next vlog natin. Kita-kits. Uwi muna ako, kain muna ako. Ngit-ngit lang.
First dose ay na-farm.
Oo.
Gamay lang, tusok ko. Kulob lang na imong paper sa may table, ma'am. Record lang dili ha.
Hi guys, I'm back home safe. I'm done my first dose. Then my feelings now, it's kind of numb, but it's okay. I will take relax and sleep. Then let's see what's going on. Few minutes, because I feel my taste buds is just something wrong, but I don't know. So done my first dose. My second dose will be October 20. So guys, better to be safe rather than what you call that, get problem. So do it if you have time, do it. Then don't be scared. I have the link there. If you are here in Dumaguete, I have the link that I drop in my Facebook. You can see it because that is the active one. That is the active link that I used to register today. Because the one that I registered yesterday, it's not acceptable. So I just make another one today. So that's why I'm late. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. This is Misa sa Super Vlog. Thank you guys. Relax muna ako kasi makaano ko. Bye! Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. This is Misa sa Super Vlog. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.